Hey everybody, Sid here, and today I just want to give you a little quickie here about one cardinal rule that you should never break, and that is to hate. To hate is a bad thing. Of course, you know that, or you should know that, just that a lot of people don't acknowledge that, and it's not the thing you should be doing because the thing is, when you hate someone to the point where when you think about them or you hear their name or something like that, you're thinking, oh, I can't stand that person, or what can I do to upset whatever they're trying to do or whatever. What you're doing is you're giving that person that you hate power over your life. Yes, power over your life. And to me, that means you're giving them control over your life. If you hear their name or you see their presence or whatever, and they can get you riled up like that, that person can push your buttons easily. They have control over your life. When all you do is obsess with thinking about them for whatever reason, they have control over your life. And most of the time, when you think about, if you would think about, why do you even hate a person? What did they do to you? Chances are, you probably don't even have a good reason. Either you were influenced by someone you like, that maybe they don't like that person, so they don't want you to like them either. And that's a dumb reason. That's dumb. So, make your own decisions. You should not hate. It's okay if you dislike someone, but don't hate them. Especially, and I mean especially, if they haven't done anything to you. There's no reason for you to hate them. And as far as thinking and obsessing about them, you should really reevaluate that, because that person has control over your life. Yes, whether you believe that or not, that's the truth. They have control over your life. And I know a lot of so-called religious people, and if you're not careful, you hear them say that they hate this and they hate that. They have hatred in their heart. It's amazing, isn't it? They're supposed to be worshiping God and Jesus and whoever they worship, and they are supposed to be, on a good way. But when they're hating, they're not on a good way. They're on a bad way. Yes. So most time people are going to hate you because you're not doing what they think that you should be doing. It's not up to you to do what they want. But that's what usually happens. If you don't follow what some group thinks you should be doing, or some person thinks you should be doing, then you're very unpopular with them. Okay, then be unpopular with them. It's their problem if they hate. It's not your problem. It means they have an issue, not you. You don't have an issue. They have an issue. So, next time somebody's hating on you, think about that. It's them who have the problem. It's they, who have the problem, not you. And it is they who have nothing in their life to do but to hate on you. How ridiculous is that? That's really ridiculous, right? When you think about it. That's the problem with ignorant people. They don't think. They just react. And a lot of times it's for no reason. So I'm going to leave it at that today. Just message to you haters. Stop hating. It's okay to dislike someone for whatever reason, but don't hate them, especially, and I mean especially, if they have not done anything to you. All right? So I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to wish you a nice, happy day or evening wherever you're located. And remember, the 3 things I always like to leave to you. You know what those 3 things are. Take care. Be mindful. Peace out.